Allegheny York. C1, Nitrile Asymmetrical Rod U-Cup. Profile C1 rod seals are a good choice for hydraulic and pneumatic equipment that require seals with the smallest possible housings. Although cross-sections and heights are very small, the sealing performance is excellent. Extremely low friction is experienced because of the short contact area at the sealing surface. Installation. These rod seals are manufactured oversized on the external diameters in relation to the nominal dimensions. This ensures the required tight fit, and eliminates heel drag on the dynamic surface. Only after installation will the sealing lip diameter show the desired dimensions. Profile C1 rod seals may easily be snapped into the groove. Standard material is 84 durometer nitrile, and may be used at a temperature range of -65 degrees to 220 degrees Fahrenheit in hydraulic applications and -65 degrees to 180 degrees Fahrenheit in pneumatic applications. Maximum working pressure for hydraulic use is 2,350 psi and for pneumatic use is 235 psi. Temperature, -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure, 0 to 2,350 psi.